Hi, my name is Jenny, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Omnichannel Campaign Builder in Klaviyo. In the world of modern marketing, an omnichannel strategy is crucial. Omnichannel is about meeting consumers where they are, with the right message, and at the right time. Not only is this a winning strategy, but consumers actually expect you to do this. This may sound overwhelming, and we get it. Luckily, we have tools in Klaviyo to help you do just that. Build omnichannel experiences that not only drive revenue, but strengthen your brand loyalty and customer relationships. Enter the Omnichannel Campaign Builder. In this video, we'll walk through how to use the Omnichannel Campaign Builder to create a product launch campaign. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. Head to the Campaigns tab. Then click Create Campaign. In the modal that appears, give your campaign a name. For campaign type, you'll see two options here. You have single-channel campaigns, which are your traditional one-time messages sent via one channel to one particular audience. You also have omnichannel campaigns, which are great for multi-day marketing events like product launches or Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Select Omnichannel. Then click Continue. You're now dropped into the Omnichannel Campaign Builder. You can create all of your audiences and messages within this one easy-to-use canvas. To start, let's define our audience. Audiences are groups of profiles that receive a series of messages within an omnichannel campaign. You can have up to 10 audiences in a single omnichannel campaign, allowing you to better personalize your communications. For this tutorial, let's use the example of Beantown Coffee launching their new holiday coffee grounds. To build our first audience, head to the container labeled Audience 1 and click Select Audience. First, give your audience a name. I'll create an audience of my Beantown VIPs. Then, select which lists or segments to include in this audience from the dropdown. You can also exclude lists or segments from your audience by clicking on Don't Send To. You'll notice the estimated recipients number updates in real time as you include and exclude lists and segments. When you're ready, click Save and Return. Now, let's create our first message. Click on the plus sign to the right of the audience. Now you can select what channel you want to use: email, text message, push notification, or WhatsApp. For example, I want to kick off this VIP message path with an early access text, allowing loyal shoppers to get first dibs on the holiday coffee a day before it launches to everyone. In the text message editor, craft your message, and then click Save and Return. The text message now appears in the canvas next to the audience you created. Notice the new modal that appears as well. Under the Message tab, select the date and time to send this message. If you need to make some more tweaks to your text, you can click the Edit button. On the Settings tab, give your message a name. This is an internal name for you and your team only. Your recipients won't see this anywhere on your message. Then, optionally add any tags you use to sort and manage your content in Klaviyo. For instance, I can tag this VIP. You can also adjust settings like smart sending and tracking parameters. On the Review tab, you can quickly see any errors or warnings you need to address before scheduling your message. Once you're confident, click Schedule. This will open the Schedule drawer where you can confirm things like your date, time, and sending strategy. Then click Schedule again to confirm your settings. The message is now in a scheduled state, and the date on the canvas reflects when your campaign will be sent. Let's add one more message into this path. To do so, click the plus sign. This time, I'll add an email. I'm going to now send my VIPs a follow-up product launch email the next day. You can select a template from the library, from your saved templates, or create your own. Update your email in the editor. Then click Save and Return. Under Email Message, you can add your subject line, preview text, and a couple additional settings. Then click Save and Return again. You can now follow the same steps as before with the right modal. Choose your send date, update your settings, and review errors or warnings. Then schedule this message. Just like that, we've created our first message path for our VIP audience, which includes an early access text message and a full product launch email. Next, let's walk through how to add an additional message path, which will launch a totally different sequence of messages within the same campaign. Click on Add Path and add a new audience to your campaign. For this example, I'll create an engaged audience and include my 90-day engaged segment. I want this audience to receive a pretty similar email to the one I created for my VIPs, with just a few small edits. Instead of recreating this email again, I'll make a clone of the email I already built by clicking the 3 dots on that email card, and then clone. Select your second audience path to clone this message to that path. From here, you can click on your cloned message and make any tweaks you'd like. It's that simple. Now, let's say you want to create a third message path that's very similar to an existing path you've already created. You can actually clone an entire path with just a few clicks. Head to the path you want to clone and click on the clone icon from the left-hand navigation menu. Click Clone again. You should see your cloned path appear on the canvas. You can now update your audience and message content however you like. For my product launch example, I'll make this final audience my churn risk segment and tweak this email to include an added discount for my churn risk customers. When you're done creating all of your message paths and everything is scheduled, click Exit to be taken back to the campaign list view. Once a campaign is live, you can monitor how your campaign has performed at an aggregate and individual message level from one easy place. You can find key metrics by message regardless of channel, including click and open rates, as well as top-line revenue from placed orders. Want to get more granular? Click View All, and you'll be brought to the Omnichannel Performance page, where you can find tons of insights about your campaign performance broken down by channel and filtered by conversion metric. Explore the cards to see campaign revenue, engagement, deliverability, and overall performance. Not only that, but you can also zoom out and view aggregate metrics to understand how the omnichannel campaign has performed as a whole. You can also easily adjust your settings to change the conversion type and channel you want to focus on. Now, click Exit. In the list view, you can also see both aggregate and individual message metrics when you expand the dropdown. If you want to get back to that Omnichannel performance page, you can do that by just clicking the 3 dots and View Performance. No more manual, time-consuming calculation of performance across 5 to 10 individual messages, tabs, and siloed tools. Omnichannel Campaign Builder does the math for you, providing unified reporting to measure precise campaign impact. And that's it. You've now created an omnichannel campaign. Incorporate this tool into your strategy to create more moments that hit the mark and drive revenue for your business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and click the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.